Hi friends, hope you're well and welcome to the brand new update on Bitcoin and you're watching Moon 333. I would request you that the information I'm providing here in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional and do your own research for any kind of investment. Uh, First, I would like to show you a very big move by the Bitcoin, which the Bitcoin is making at this time is that here we have a 20 simple moving average. This is a simple moving average with the 20 time period. And here we can see that the price action first dropped and crossed down this moving average. And after that, we can see that the MACD was strong bearish. This is a month chart, very big month, long-term chart. And the MACD was turning weak bearish, and after that, it was turned strong bearish. And the Bitcoin made a very big move. But this time, we can have a more bigger move by the Bitcoin, a more bigger or powerful bullish move. Why? Because this time the price action was hitting at the support or on this the 20 symbol moving average, and after that you can see the price action was accumulating or consolidating on this moving average, and here the price action was turned strong bearish here, but this time the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, showed some different behavior. It didn't turn weak bearish from strong bearish like it normally does, like we can see here. It turned very strong bearish in the very next candle on month chart. And we can see a very powerful bullish candle here on the month chart. So this time we are having bounce above this moving average or from this moving average, and the MACD is showing more bullish move or more bullish signal than we had in the past history of the Bitcoin in March 2019. It was first turned weak bearish and then turned strong bearish, but now it is turned from strong bearish to all of a sudden into the strong bullish condition. So this is a very powerful bullish signal. Now let's move to the next update on the day chart. And here we can see on the day chart, we have already seen in my previous video, in my previous articles and posts that the Bitcoin is making higher lows. And after every bullish rally, it is making or forming a bull flags and making higher lows. You can see here the price action retraced and made another higher low, and after that the price action took another very good and big bullish move, and after that we can see the price action formed another bull flag or higher low, and then the price action made another higher low, and after that here today we can see the price action after taking a strong bullish divergence. Today the price action is making is likely to make another higher low. And I'm very much optimistic. This is not a fall or this is not a big bearish move. This is a higher low like the Bitcoin is making in the past history, in few past days, you can see. And this one is another very strong bullish indication we are having from the Bitcoin price action. This is a month chart, and you can see this is the chop zone. First, if we see in the history, in May 2016, the chop zone turned strong bullish, and after that, from May 2016 up to December 2017, the Bitcoin produced more than 4,700 profit. It moved from $416 up to $9,666. That is more than 4,700%, 4,700% big bullish move. This time you can see this is second time in the history of the Bitcoin is happening that the chop zone is turned strong bearish this month in the month of Feb, and we are having a first very bullish green candle, a Marubozu kind of green candle, and this can be a very, very big bullish move. I am very much optimistic, but I'm not confirmed. We cannot, I cannot give you any idea where the price action will go, but this is really a very strong bullish signal. If we see the past history, whenever this signal appears, we have once this signal was appeared in 2016, and after that, this is the second time this signal is appeared. So this can be a very, very big bullish move. Maybe I don't. I'm not confirmed that maybe it will give like in the previous history it has given more than 4,700%, or maybe it will give 100, 200% or 50%. I cannot give you any idea about where the price action will go, but uh, I can give you the idea that this is a really very big bullish move. Okay, now let's come to the very key point, and that is I've been doing discussion on this point with you on different videos, that the resistance levels which the Bitcoin is crossing up. Here we had the resistance, which is our past resistance now, and that was $9,819.92. And here I was expecting that the price action of Bitcoin will form a cup and handle formation, because the formation of this body of this cup was very soft. There was no hard corners, no V shape, and whenever the price action formed this kind of wave down or and wave up, then most of the times the price action at the resistance of the cup drops to form the handle of the cup. But this time, the price action broke out this resistance level of $9,819.92. That was the resistance of the cup and also the price level resistance as well. Now, in my previous video, I've already told you that after breaking out this resistance, the price action may retest this resistance as a support, because whenever the price action breaks out any resistance of any asset, not even only the Bitcoin, any asset's price action, whenever it breaks out any resistance, most of the times the price action retests that resistance again as a support. So this time it is likely to retest the resistance the past resistance as a support. That is $9,819, and today you can see the price action dropped up to $9,739. It was a spike up to $9,739 today, and it is retesting the support. For example, if it will be fail to retest the resistance as a support, and if the price action will be dropped down, then the price action can retest the previous resistance as a support, and that is around here at around $8,200, $8,300. But the more chances are that the price action will now take a bounce from this resistance, this support, and it will now move to the next resistance level, and that is $10,940. And after that, the next resistance on day chart is 12,6100, and then $13,200. But at this time, we are having the situation that the price action is retesting the resistance, the previous resistance, as a support. And the more important thing, that is a feel of relief for us, the people who are looking for the Bitcoin, that it should turn more bullish, is that this is the buying volume and this is the sell volume. You can see the buying volume is more higher than the sell volume. You can see there are very rare bars of the sell volume, and today we have a very uh, weak sell volume bar, and the buying bars or buying volume is more powerful than the sell volume. And if we see the sell power today, this is the volume oscillator, and here you can see when there was a buying and there were green candles formed on the chart, the buying was up to you can see the level is 8, And here, when the sell is in process, the people are selling the BTC today, and when the price action is retesting the support due to this sell, the sell oscillator, which shows the power of buying or sell, then we can see that the volume oscillator is at zero level. So far, the situation or the sell we face today is not a problem for the BTC bull rally. This is definitely a healthy move because I've already told you in my previous articles and videos that whenever the price action is moving up and forming the bull flags and having some retracements and having some corrective moves, it is a sign of healthy bull move. Because for the healthy and firm bullish signal, the corrective move by the price action is must. So the price action of the Bitcoin is doing some corrective moves during this bull rally and making higher lows. So this is really good move by the Bitcoin, which shows the firmness of this bullish rally. So that's all for today. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe to this channel so far, and follow me on my different platforms. I'm definitely working on different platforms like Uptrend and PublishOX and on Steemit. And I've shared all the links in the video's description. You can follow me there, and especially on the Tradingview where I'm posting my all charts, and you can follow my all charts from there as well. Take care. Goodbye.